In this video, we look at set comprehensions, a quick way to build a set of unique values from any collection, all in a single line of Python. A set comprehension looks almost identical to a list comprehension, but you wrap it in curly braces. The big difference is that a set never keeps duplicates, so any repeated value is thrown away for you. We start with a list called words. Notice that cat and dog each appear twice, so there are duplicates hiding in here. Line 3 is the set comprehension. The curly braces signal that we want a set. For each word in words, we grab its first letter using index 0, and Python collects those letters into a set. Finally, we print first letters. Even though we process 6 words, any duplicate first letters will appear only once in the output, because sets do not allow repeats. The output is a set of 4 letters, C, D, B, and F. Even though cat gave us C twice, and dog gave us D twice, each letter shows up just once. That is the set doing its job. The only syntax difference is the brackets. Square brackets give you a list that keeps duplicates. Curly braces give you a set that removes them. Choose based on whether you need unique results. To recap, wrap your comprehension in curly braces and you get a set. Python quietly removes any duplicates for you, making set comprehensions the cleanest way to collect unique results from any iterable.